Hello all. Today I'll be talking about Proc Print. It is a procedure which helps us to print the data set in SAS. So in Proc Print, everyone would know only the basics of it, that we use it only for printing. But there are certain options and statement which you can use in Proc Print. That I'm gonna cover it today. So let's see the general syntax of proc print. So proc print, data is equal to data set name. There are certain options available. Then var list, there you will write the variables you need to print, and then run semicolon. So over here I have taken one example where I have taken SAS help.class and the variable I have taken is age and name. So I will print these two data. So over here you can see you will get one observation number. So observation number is 1 2 3 till 19. So we have 19 observations, and then it printed only age and name. Now the options which I was talking about. So there are two important options over here. Number one is N and number two is no OBS. So number one N, it gets the number of rows or observation in the data set. So over here I have written N. Can you see for SAS help.class? In SAS help.class we have 19 observations, right? Or rows. So it will show at the end. At the end, can you see N is equal to 19. Over here also you are getting your observation column. But here at the end it is showing as total N is equal to 19, which means number of observation or rows. Now the next one option we have is no OBS. So over here, can you see OBS column? Yeah, so it will remove this OBS column. No OBS will remove this OBS column. Okay, so I've written it in the options. Now I will run it. Can you see it is starting with name? There is no OBS column. So that is the function of no OBS. Now the next, in the statement, what and all we can use? Okay, so first we can use ID. Over here, ID, what will happen is the variable present, or you will write in the ID, will replace the observation number column. So as you can, I'll just run one code to show you. Over here, see, I've written ID as height. So the height variable will replace the observation column. Over here you can see now height is highlighted instead of OBS where we get 1 2 3 4 5 till the last observation. Instead of that, now I am getting height, and that OBS one is removed. So that is the function of ID over here. Then everyone must be aware of a conditional statement which we can use in proc step, that is where. So that is used to filter the data. As you know, if cannot be used in proc step, where can be used in proc step. So over here I have taken one example where sex is equal to F, means only the observations female candidates. So now you got all the female candidates and their observation number also you got it. See, that is how we use where. Now third thing, you can also find the sum of a variable value. So let's say over here I have given height. So sum height. Now it will find out the sum of all the height present. Now can you see at the end 1184.4 is the sum of all these height. Now let's go to the next one. You can also give title and footnote. So you can give maximum number of 10 title and 10 footnote, which is an interview question. So right now if you want to write title, see I've written title, in quotation you will write students data I've written, and for footnote I have written verified, and then just do run. So I'll just run it to show it to you. Now you can see this is your title over here, and then if you go down you can see your footnote which is verified. Now we can also use your by. Now by to use your by statement, obviously you need to first sort the data using proc sort. So I've sort the data. See, proc sort data is equal to data set name, out is equal to new data set name. By age I am sorting the data and run. So now I've used proc print where I will use data is equal to this new data set name because it is sorted in this new class, and then by age run. So what happens over here? So a group will be created by the age. Now you see there are two observations belonging to age 11, one table for them. There are 5 observations belonging to age 12. So all those are given in one table. For age 13, 3 observation. For age 14, 4, and for age 15, 4, and for age 16 we have 1 observation. So you can see the group is divided. So we have sorted the data according to age, and then we have printed the data by using by statement over here. So now you can see you are able to do analysis, right? You are able to do analysis based on the by group. Okay, that is the function of by group. It gives the classification, right? So we got the classification over here according to age. So these are the other things which you can do with the help of Proc Print. If I come to interview questions in Proc Print, they just want to know maybe what is it used for, what are the options available, and yeah, that's it. Not much question from Proc Print, but yeah, you should be aware of all the. One more important thing is where. So they might ask you where you can use, right? That is the only conditional statement you can use in proc step. So we have basically two conditions. One is if and one is where. So where can be used in proc step. I think that's all for proc print. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you all. Stay tuned. Daily I'll try to upload at least one video.